Hello resellers, it's Rebecca the Reseller. Thanks for joining me for another What Sold on Poshmark video today. I have a bunch of sales to go through with you. I'm excited to share them with you. This is for the week of September 22nd through September 28th. So I'm kind of starting a little bit backward. I've done now 3 of these What Sold videos of recent times. And so all of this happened before the Poshmark fees and changes in the fee structure. So just keep that in mind. We'll catch up with the other ones later on. So this is first up, Zara. Not a surprise. I sell a ton of Zara. I have bought many Zara palettes, if you don't know. And so Zara is one of my top selling brands of the last couple of years at this point. And so it just, hey, if it's not broke, don't fix it. I love selling it. So these are just some lace up leggings, and these sold for $42 on an offer. Here are one of my scarves. So I sell boutique scarves. This one sold for $15. I have them up for $25. I do multiple quantity. So I have many styles of scarves. I do multiple quantity of each scarf. They're brand new and they're part of my boutique. If you're not sure about boutique or want to know more about how to start your own profitable boutique, I do have a course that I created that gets you started from scratch, from no boutique, and how to order, what to order, where to order from, what to do, everything. And that course is available in my Rebecca the Reseller Academy, which is linked down below. You can get my free reseller resource guide, and then that will give you information about my courses, as well as all of my discount links, products, referrals, all of that good stuff is in there. And the best value bundle is my $20 bundle, and that gets you all of my courses, they're all included, and all of my digital downloads. So it's a really great deal. The whole point of it is just to get the information out to resellers so we can all increase our sales. I want to share the information that I have with as many people as possible. So that's that sale. Now the next one, this sold for $39. I love selling these Ruanas. You may have seen them if you've creeped on my closet, or if you have poked around in some of my other What Sold videos. I love selling them. These actually, they came in from the vendor, and I put them up right away with the stock photo, and now I'm actually staring at them. I need to take my own photos of them and add them to these listings. But one of the things I love to do with boutique is take those stock photos and get them listed right away so that I'm not holding everything up. And so one already sold without me even having to put up my own photos, which was great. So this one's really pretty, a nice ombre blue. And so I have it up for $49 and it sold for $39, and that was great. This one was not great, but I'm okay with it. So these came in some sort of either Jomar or Helpsy Source mystery box a long time ago. I can tell it's a long time because I'm up to 8,000 and this was 5,000. So it's like 3,000 items ago I had listed this item. And you know, these should be a good seller in that it's a high-end brand, but it was on its way out and it just maybe doesn't hold its value, or maybe they're a bad style. I'm not sure, but they never sold. And so recently someone sent me an offer for $20 and I was like, oh my God, I've been sitting on these for forever. So I'm selling them for $20, unfortunately, because I did have them up for much higher. So sometimes it doesn't work out. This is another boutique listing. So this sold for $12. This has actually been a good seller recently. It's just an anklet with kind of like the blue turquoise, kind of crackled look inside on the stone. And so that sort of boho look does really well on Poshmark. So I tend to buy a lot of jewelry for my boutique along those lines. And that was a good seller. And again, multiple quantity. So you do the work once and you sell it again and again. Next up is a MacDougall dress. So this one's not new with tags. It says new with tags, but is it? I don't know. But no. So I have it there. It says brand new with the tags in the description. So that's a mistake on my part, but it's actually not. I bought a palette of MacDougall dresses. Most of them were new with tags. Some had flaws. And so this was one that didn't have the new with tags. So that was a $120 sale, which is awesome. Here is a $25 sale of Prana pants. And if you've watched some of these What Sold videos recently, you'll know that I did purchase a palette of new with tags Prana. And so these pants have been selling well. So they just kind of sell over and over again. This one I'm going to actually pull up both of them. So I don't know if you guys know, but I actually make oh, that's not going to do it. That's just the photo. Well, here you can see the photo. I actually make hand-poured crayons. And so you guys know I don't relax well. So I do reselling, I do YouTube, I do lots of different things, hand-painted rocks, and now hand-poured, handcrafted crayons. And so I sell them on Etsy, but I did put them on Poshmark as well. And they do sell from time to time. So now I'm expecting more of these sales because we are getting into, the holidays and gift giving mode. So I'm hoping that I will sell a lot of these for gifts for little kids, stocking stuffers, things like that. So I have lots of different, shapes. So these were butterflies in like my Brights palette. So they're all bright colors. And then this is the unicorn palette in bright colors as well. So a woman bundled those back up. Now I have them up for more than that. How much? Why isn't this clicking anyway? Let's see. Yeah, I have them up for 25, and then we did a bundle for 2 for something. Now I don't remember, but so these are there in case anybody needs a gift for your kid or someone in the family. I would love to ship these out to you. I actually ship them in a heat safe protectant poly mailer so that they don't melt because I'm in Florida. So I don't know, did we do 2 for 25 on this? Where does it show here? Yeah, it was 2 for 25 is what I did for her on that. So that was a good one for me. I mean, obviously I'd like to sell them more because it is a lot of work, but I did a bundle for her. Anyway, this one was a bundle of all boutique items, which I love. Some people will buy boutique and pre-owned items, and that's why I like selling both, but some people will just buy a bunch of boutique items. So this is 2 belts, one in brown and one in black. And then this like flower choker kind of tie necklace. And then this other like gold tassel necklace. And so that was a good bundle. How much do we sell that for? I think so. It was a $25 bundle. And again, most of these, because they're coming from my vendor overseas, are very inexpensive. And so I'm able to still give them a good deal, but still make profit and sell them over and over, which I love. This one I was kind of disappointed about. I mean, I don't usually care about the ratings and I don't usually even look at the ratings, but I happened to see it because I pulled this up to do the video. She had sent an offer and I sold it for 12 when I have them up for 30, and usually I sell them for 20 or more, but I said, oh, well, give her the deal. Let me make a sale. I have multiple quantities of them. It's a new with tags, Eileen. Why isn't it clicking? Something is amok here because it's just clicking. Oh, there we go. So I have them up for 30. It's a $98 top. It's brand new with tags. There's nothing wrong with it. It is brand new with the tag. And she says item description and gave me a 3. You got a $98 top for $12 plus shipping, and it's brand new with the tags. So what is wrong with the item description? Nothing. You're just a person that isn't happy with your purchase. And I don't know what to tell you about that. So that was one of those, moments. This is fun. So these are just a tote bag. And it says coffee gives me teacher powers. It's from my boutique supplier, but I actually didn't buy this from my boutique. I bought this because I run the holiday shop at my son's school store, and we bought these, but they did not all sell out. So I told the PTA, I'll try to sell some of them, and when they sell, then I'll, just buy it off the PTA. So that way the PTA can get rid of some of this extra merchandise, and I can make some sales. So the PTA was selling them for $5, which was at a profit from what we bought them for. I sold it, I have them up for 20, but I sold it for 12. And so then I bought it from the PTA for 20. So I didn't make as much money as I could have, but the point was I was trying to help the PTA out. So the PTA made money, I made money, and it all worked out really great. So I only made $2 on it, but I have them listed as a multiple quantity, and so I can sell a few more for them. We're getting ready to do, I'm running the holiday shop again this year, so we'll see how it goes. But yeah, I mean, The thing is, I would really love to add more giftable items in my Poshmark closet. And so slowly I have been. So if you guys are in need of teacher gifts, coworker gifts, I have lots of like really fun, like the TikTok calculator, the sweary pen set, passport cover in pink. Like I have a lot of really cute gift items. So if you need a gift, check out my closet. Anyway, this is never give up on items, right? So I had this Madewell sweater for a long time. I'm pretty sure it might have been Boutique by the Box. It might have been Helpsy Source. I don't remember where I got this one, but it was definitely from a box from either one of them. And you can tell that it's old because it's 5,000 number, and I'm up to over 8,000 now. So it's been listed for quite some time, and it finally sold. So never say never, you never know. But so that sold for 36. This is another one of my boutique belts. This sold for 10. I'm not going to click into every single one, but so this one sold for 10. This one sold also for 10. Is that the same one? No, it's two different ones. So that was good. These are fun. These are also boutique. These are pink cowgirl earrings. These have done really well. So never discount or count out those girls that love pink cowgirl stuff. That's certainly not me, but someone out there loves them. Here's another different kind of bell. I think this one I had sold for 12. This is another one that was in my newest shipment that I haven't taken the photos of my own yet. So I have just the stock photo from the vendor, and I'm already making sales without even having to put up my own photos yet, which is awesome. Here's another Ruana from my boutique. This is a different print. I think this is the last one. I think I sold out of this one. So it's like a cheetah / chevron diamond. Like it's got a couple different mixed prints in here, but for whatever reason, I have two different colors. This colorway is sold out. The other colorway, I still have about 6 or 8 left, maybe, if I'm thinking off the top of my head. So you just never know. And that is why sometimes I choose in a boutique item where you can buy two different colorways, is buy them both, because one might sell out and one will sell eventually, but you never know. And now you have two different options to offer to people. And so I love kind of differentiating that. And then this is that same khaki belt again. Again, sold without me taking photos, which I love. So, a lot of boutique sales here. So again, if you guys want to know more about selling boutique, I highly encourage you to check out my Rebecca the Reseller Academy. Get your free reseller resource guide, of course, but then also go ahead and purchase the best value bundle for $20, and you can get all 4 of my courses, as well as all the digital downloads that I have, which are great resources for your business. I created them for my business, and then I make them available to you. I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks, and I'll see you next time.